everyone, welcome back to another video from Quick Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can log in into your Stone Bank account. So follow some simple steps with me. First off, open your web browser and in the search bar, type in stonebank.com. It will take you to the official website of Stone Bank, and over here you can see the login portal. Choose your account type and in the username section, enter the username of your account. You can check mark the save username for further use if you are using a private computer, but I do not recommend you to do that in the public or shared computer. And once you do that, click on sign in. Then you will be redirected to the password section, and from there enter the password of your account and click on sign in. You will be signed into your Stone Bank account. And if you guys have other account, click on the drop down arrow over here and choose your account type. By this way, you can log in into your Stone Bank account. Hope you guys understand and find our video helpful. If you did, please do not forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel. And also hit the bell icon for latest videos and drop a comment for reviews and more content like this. I will see you guys again in our next video. Thank you guys for watching.